be so rude to the cat?
The cat rude to my back.
Kobo!
I want to assert dominance. The cat are getting a little treat. I want a more treat.
You already got
I
snacks.
already gave you a treat, Kobo.
Yeah. Or do you want a cat treat? Do we feed her a cat treat?
Oh, can I eat
She
cat
wants to
treat?
try.
No, it smells good. It smells good.
Oh God, she's eating it with a straight face.
Give us your honest opinion, Kobo.
Mama.
Kobo, no! Kobo,
Shit.
if I eat the same piece of cat treat that you gave me, am I your favorite? All right, time to eat the cat treat. Here I go. Here I go.
Bitch, no!
Bitch, yes!
Oh no!
Bitch, yes!
I win.
Bitch, yes! Let's go, bitch!
I swear.
Let's go! Let's go eat the cat treat together. Bye, Mom. Come on!
Oh, bye.
Bye!
Jesus.
They're eating it together. Kobo's eating extra. Oh, Calli is not looking as happy as Kobo.
It's not good, but like, it's not,
Ew.
I mean, I'm not throwing up, so I mean.
Ew.
They're children.
This is how you teach your child.
Shouldn't our child be eating proper food?
Nah, cat treats. Number one dad.
You are the reason why your parents are not doing so well.
That's so fucked up to say. What's wrong? Oh, and I get in trouble for saying, Kobo, you're adopted. What?